Hi guys, today we're gonna make together a British dish for St. George's Day. Why a fish pie? Well, we are an island, so what a better way to start with some nice fish dish. So what we have is we've already boiled the potatoes in advance. It takes a bit of time, so we just boil them in advance. So what we do first is some nice dash of olive oil, a bit of butter there, a nice clean sliced leek. Nicely frying it, pepper, some salt. As it's cooking, we'll add the potatoes into it, mix it nicely. Off from the heat, about 50 grams of butter, and then we start mashing it. Then we can add the milk. Not too much milk, say about 100 milliliter. We are making the filling for the fish. So to start with, we've got some nice spring onion, a good dash of olive oil, a couple of carrots, pepper and salt, a nice red chilli, finely sliced. I wouldn't put a full one. I think that would be a bit too much. A nice fresh asparagus, some mushrooms. So a nice squeeze of just a half a lemon, no need for a full one. Just a nice half a lemon there. Fresh parsley, just a little bunch like this. And the same again with coriander. Some nice garlic, some capers, single cream. This is about 300 ml. Nicely fresh mixed fish, some flour, salt and pepper. Right, we give it a good mix. Nicely put it in the base there. Grated cheddar. And now we get back to this potato mash. Now try not to make it very flat in here. And it's done. We put the oven at 220 and we put it in the oven 35 to 40 minutes till you see it nice and brown. So we take it out 10 minutes prior. We've got some mussels in cream here that I've prepared early on, and then put it back in the oven for the last 10 minutes or so.